Okay, here is a small video today on how to make peace with your past. Obviously, I can't fix that for you in one video, but there are a few things I want to say. I've been working in this field for a really long time, and I've worked with over 7,000 clients. And what I will say to you is that everyone in their childhood has had some form of trauma. In other words, not many people have escaped that, which tells me that most of the time, we all experience things as kids that we take into adulthood, and those things are the things that we need to work on in order to have a happy life. So us standing there and blaming people, places or things for what happened to us keeps us in this sort of victim mentality, and worst of all, it makes us feel not peaceful because we're constantly thinking about these traumas from the past. At this point, what I would say to you is it's really important to get a coach and to do some work so that you learn how to release that and how to step into a place of power rather than victim. Now, this will take time, obviously, but I want you to know that unless we choose to make peace with our past, we're the ones that stay in a lot of pain, and life's too short for that. So if you're struggling, I want you to know that the choice is yours, and that it's really up to you whether you want to stay in that space of sort of misery and upset, or whether you want to move forward from that. Now, being in that misery and upset, we've got to feel our feelings, we've got to process them to move forward. But my point is, don't sit in that space blaming your past for what's going on for you today. Elevate yourself, adult yourself, and choose to step into a much stronger place by doing your work. It's really, really important. Making peace with your past is the best thing you can ever do for yourself.